Welcome everybody, welcome to my channel, Mighty Sawdust. I'm your host, Darius. Hopefully you've been watching the previous videos of me prepping this ordinary shed into a space for woodworking. This video that you're about to watch will be sanding day. So, got the tools right here. I'll be using my Dewalt sander. Picked up a couple pads of these sand net from my local store here at Home Depot. And obviously I'll have the vacuum set up to do the dust collection for this. So sit back and enjoy. Hopefully there's some value in these videos of me just doing it DIY style. So hopefully you'll continue watching more videos and you subscribe, hit the notification and hit the like button. So I will see you in the video. Alright, so here I am. I'm about to do some sanding. Got my Dewalt sander attached to my shop vac. Couldn't find the adapter that I know I have somewhere, so just to make things quicker, got this little adapter, homemade adapter here. Works fine from what I tested. Currently I'll be using a 220 grit. I started off with the 120 grit. And what I was using was this. Home Depot, we had a pretty good deal on these. Basically 60 pads, and it was basically, I think at that time, 20 bucks. And I figured, you know, I'd be doing stuff 120 I would need. So I basically bought it in bulk. But when I was doing some of the sanding, testing it last night, it was cutting into the drywall too quick and I was just barely touching it. So I went a little higher. It came in, the original one I was going to use only went up, it skipped from 120 to 320, so I ended up just getting the new sand net version of these things, which works perfectly fine, just a little bit different. It's kind of more see-through kind of material, and currently it's about $30 for basically the 60 pack, and it's basically practically see-through compared to some of the other pads where they have the holes to line it up with your pro sanders. Still works fine. So that's what I'll be going to be using. And I'm pretty much ready to do some sanding. Like I said, I'm not going full detail, so I'm not going to use a hand sander to get every little nook and cranny. I'm just trying to get the big obvious little hills and valleys, like the little grooves here, and just kind of sand it up just to get it ready for paint and basically move in and start producing items and more content.
Luke, I am your father. Sorry, couldn't resist.
painted. Like I said earlier, not worried about the fine detail, getting it really smooth. This is basically a working workshop, so I'd be more upset if it was perfect and then I move a piece of 2x4 and hit the wall and there's a big little gash in there or whatever. This is just to get it painted, get it usable, and basically make it feel like it's comfortable in here. So pretty much achieved that, and the next video will be paint. So hopefully you've seen some benefit and you continue watching this journey of getting this shed set up for woodworking basically. And subscribe, hit the notification, add any comments, and I'll read them and try to improve this channel and bring better content and more detail. That's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you liked it and you'll enjoy watching the next video and all the videos to come.